Hi guys, thank you very much for tuning in on this episode of Slikhaar TV, where you're gonna see a quiff hair tutorial. Nicoline is behind the scissors and the model is Alexander. For the giveaway today we have two products, a sidekick and a wax of choice. All you have to do is to write the most creative comments in the comment section down below. And of course remember to subscribe, like. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We have a competition and from last week we have the winner here. Congratulations! To participate in the new competition, all you have to do is write a creative comment in the comment section down below and we'll pick the winner for the next episode. We'll choose the most creative comments, and also remember to like the video and subscribe, of course, and if you like you can share the content with your friends. So guys, nothing left to say than see you next time. Congratulations! And to participate